misconception Filipinos have about critical illness protection. What does AIA want to change through critical protection?
Hi, Vivian. Thank you for inviting us again. Thank you for the question. So there are various types of health insurance available in the market. I mentioned HMO multiple times. And quite similar to HMO is medical coverage, which several life insurance providers, including AIA, offer. This type of insurance is to be used for the actual treatment. So there are definitions on where and when you can use them. For some companies, it's a reimbursement basis. For some, you will be familiar with how HMOs work. You have a card, you get an authorization, and then you go and you avail of a certain healthcare service. AIA Critical Protect Plus, as a critical illness product, offers a lump sum benefit. So it gives the policyholder much more flexibility in terms